Happy Women's Day to all of you. Guys, I want to tell one of the very important things that today is a very special day, and this is the day of a mother, a sister, a daughter, a wife, daughter-in-law, and so many different forms of the beautiful creation of God that is in the form of the woman. I am very happy that I was born from a mother that taught me the path of kindness, the path of compassion, the path of love, the path of beauty in the whole humanity. Those are the beautiful things which I have learned from the mother. But at the same time, I know today is a great day because today is the day when we want to express our respect, love, and gratitude to all the women under the blue sky, and we feel privileged to teach also thousands of such girls who are the daughters of their parents and the daughters of our human society and beautiful society, and they are doing lots of beautiful things in today's world. Today I am happy that we human beings try to give our respect to the girls, to the ladies, and to the women. Our society is growing, our society is changing, and we are not like we used to be in the past. And most of the girls, women, ladies have got their freedom to express their views against any kind of the atrocity or kind of the family dispute or anything which they successfully put in front of the society and try to get their problems resolved. I believe that on the special International Women's Day, we have to see the society in a different perspective. Because our society is now a big changed society. Today our women in every part of the world may be facing some certain of the cruelty in a smaller or bigger form, but still the truth is that today's women are bit emancipated and they are pre-liberal in many ways, and they are trying their best to achieve most of the beautiful things of the world. Today they are everything, whichever they think. They have become scientists, they have become teachers, they have become doctors, they have become engineers, they have become astronauts, they have become everything. I believe that women are the symbol, not only the symbol of respect, but they are the beautiful symbol of love, because it is the woman how to remain gracious, how to remain conscious, how to remain very, very progressive in the life. So our society runs on the wheels of both malehood and womanhood. So both we have to respect one another, particularly the male members have to respect the counterpart, so that our society should progress on the both the wheels which are the strong foundations of the society. Without one another, each other, we cannot expect our society to grow in a beautiful way. Today is the Women's Day. This is the day of showing respect to all these girls who would turn out to be women in tomorrow's day with their dreams, with their bright future, and that would be the great day. And naturally, today is the Women's Day. So I not only show respect to all the women of the world, but I also show respect to my students. They are not only my students, but they are like my daughters. Okay, I wish them very beautiful future in coming days, so that they can move in the society with the balance of the world, with the pace of the world, so that they can give message to the world that both male and female are the part of the society. Though we enjoy the Women's Day, but being a male member, I express my all gratitude, all respect, all love towards all the women of the world, because I believe, I know that showing respect toward the womanhood is showing respect to that vibrant society, that progressive society, which can bring dramatic changes for prosperity of the society, for the betterment of all sections of the people. That's the reason education to the woman, freedom to woman, then knowing the problems of the woman and showing respect, love, gratitude towards the woman will make our society friendly, beautiful, lovely, and more productive. And for that, with that, I once again show my respect to all the women under the blue sky and want to show my namaskar, my pranam and my gratitude to them for whatever they do. I cannot simply express in the words, but I want to be more respectful towards them, because not only as a son, as a father, as a teacher, as a friend, okay, as a well-wisher, I have seen and felt my interaction with thousands of my students and my family members, and also those who are my well-wisher on the internet, and the people who show their love, respect and gratitude to me and to thousands of the good people in this world, simply because they have their great sense of respect to our womanhood. So we have to understand that each and every member of the society is important, and that is the reason we have to understand each other, one another, so that our society can grow without creating any kind of division between malehood and just womanhood. We have to keep them in balance so that our society can grow beautifully and constructively, and we can be the better examples of our great society where both women and men are cared, respected, loved and grow with all the possibilities to give the society all the important things which is needed. And with this, I thanks to all of you for your beautiful presence. Okay, happy Women's Day once again.